everyone. Today we will learn how to create a funny interactive conversation. I will name this project Funny Penguins. For that, I will choose my sprites first. And I'm going to write here penguin. And here I will pick this with penguin. Very good. Now, as I need another one, I will click and duplicate. Very good. Now I will pick a backdrop, a winter backdrop. This is perfect. Yeah. Now I wanted my characters to look at each other, so I can click here, go to customs and click this one, right? And for penguin 3, I can do the same. And I can click here to flip. Very good. Oh, very good. Now, in a previous tutorial, Dino Conversation, remember? I made use of some weight blocks to have a synchronized conversation. But now I will use 2 blocks from events, that is broadcast message and when I receive message, right? The idea is that the characters can send messages to each other in order to speak. Let's see how to do it. First, program penguin 2 with the green flag block, and then this penguin is going to say something. This penguin is going to say, hello? Why don't you see penguins in the UK? Right? This is a joke. And for 2 seconds also. And then it is going to send message 1. Right? So that penguins 3 receives message 1 and it can answer, for example, hi, I don't know, right? I don't know. And then again he can send a message, but now message is now we have to write a new message. This is going to be message 2. And the idea now is that when this penguin receives message 2, he's going to reply and say something. He's going to say the answer, because they are afraid of whales. Haha. Yeah, this is funny. And now we can also add a sound, right? So we go to sound here and we can start a sound. We can go to sound staff and look for voice sound. Could be this crowd laugh. Very good. So now we select crowd laugh and we can put it under this block. Perfect. Now we're going to click on the green flag to see how it works. No? Why? Our dialogue. Now I challenge you to make your own funny conversation on Scratch. See you later, Scratchers!